Incremental greetings. Welcome to Pleasure Learning. I'm Palau, also known as William Palace. I came from a 1-week vacation, so I haven't used Supermemo at all. Neither my main collection, neither this collection, the English collection. So I just recorded a video about my main collection, which I used Mercy. But what I'm seeing here is that, okay, I haven't used this collection in a while, 8 days, and look, I only have 91 outstanding. It's very little. I can do this in a few minutes. So what I see is that I actually don't need to use Mercy at all. The reason for that is that most of my items are outliving the interval of 1 week. Look, 18th of August. So that's about 6 weeks first interval. What happened is that collection, if I go to the stat, look at that. This version of the English Advanced English collection is just 20 days old. So most of the items haven't had the chance of becoming outstanding just because only 1 week passed, and the first interval they get is 4 weeks, 5 or even 6 weeks. So in that sense, when you have intervals that long, the hiatus, to be a meaningful reason to use the Mercy or postpone, have to be quite a lot. So now 1 week hiatus is what? A sixth of the first interval of the item. Here it is. So it's August 18th. So if today it's July 2nd, I will go for another trip and go back to July, 12. This item will be outstanding and not close to be outstanding. So only the items that I failed or I lapsed or something like that will become outstanding, or the items that I did 6 weeks ago. But that's not possible in this case because I started this collection just less than a month ago. So I only have 90 items that I guess are the ones I lapsed or I failed, or I did at the beginning, when at the beginning my optimal interval was quite lower. You see that my optimal interval is the maximum set at 33 days. But you start with 3 days. Even though you can get it really quick, as low as just 10 repetitions, which I tried and I experimented. The conclusion is that I would rather make an heuristic about the optimal interval and the hiatus, that if I have an optimal interval of 33 days, I make a hiatus of 7 days. That's not a big deal. It will be a big deal if it's quite longer than my optimal interval. That's not the case. I stopped using Supermemo for 3 months. Now I will have to use Mercy. So long story short, I think in my English collection, I will most likely never use Mercy at all. Hope this has been useful for you. Please let me know if your experience with the English collection with this. If you take a break from the English collection, went back to it, and yeah, what happened? I would love to hear from you.